It's full bloom now. Look at that. Adam, look, it's pretty. Look at the flower. You want to take a photo there?
Yeah.
Cheese! I don't mean there. Look. It's going now. Bumblebee is attacking me, and this one has purple flower. Don't go there! Bumblebees are going that way. Go back there. It's beautiful. No, that way!
No.
That way! So we're outside now. Ang ganda ng flower. I'm gonna do some gardening. Pero malinis na siya dito. No. It's that one is blooming. The purple one is blooming. Those trees we planted last year. Ayan na siya. Oh, grabe yung taas na. Ang ganda. So, ito, may flowers na din sila. Ayan o, maliliit. Pero nag-grow sila. They grow like a lot bigger and better than last year. And dun pa yung iba. Yung lavender, nag-bloom na din. Tam na, chodź. Ajo. Tam na.
Yeah, that was cars.
No, tam jeździ auto.
That was cars. Want you to the pizza?
What?
You want the pizza, Mommy?
You wanna eat pizza?
Yeah.
We don't have any.
Hamburger.
Hamburger, we don't have any hamburger.
Dog?
What?
Hot dog?
Hot
Yeah.
dog? We don't
Yeah.
have any hot dog.
Ah. One piece.
Ayun na yung mga bagong puno na namin. Ang ganda na niya tingnan.
Daddy. Daddy.
Ito pa, bulaklak na din siya. Oh. Ang ganda. Successful yung pagplant namin last year. Kasi ito super laguna niya. Ang ganda din niya. Parang nag-synchronize yung color ng leaves niya sa bahay namin. Ang ganda tingnan. Mas maganda siya tingnan sa personal na on the video na. Tapos yung mga bagong puno namin, ganyan din siya. Ayan, all the way from here, all the way to there. Yung side na yun. Ayan. Hindi pa siya tapos. Pinapaganda pa namin yung side, pero eto, magbubulaklak din siya. Siguro around the autumn or middle of summer. Tapos eto, ang ganda niya. Madaming grass kasi meron dyan mga spring yellow bloom, kaso nawala na siya kasi. What is it? Huh? I'm making bread.
I think hot dog.
We don't have any hot dog.
Daddy, hot dog. Mommy, don't touch.
Did you water my roses?
What?
The roses. I transferred the rosy here.
Let's paint the rose.
He's such a...
Paint the rocks. No!
Why are you being moody? Adam, why are you being moody? You wanna go inside? Ayan, nasa loob ako ng bahay kasi nagbe-bake ako ng banana bread. May sakit na rin po ako hanggang ngayon. Sobrang tagal na, as in, parang hindi ako nagbo-vlog for many days na kasi talagang may sakit ako, talagang hindi ko kaya, like, impossible siyang gawin. Pero, today, kailangan ko mag-bake, kailangan ko rin mag-gardening. Nag-garden na ako kahit may sakit ako kasi hindi pwede kasi walang gagawin kasi nga ang daming gawain sa garden namin. So, nagplant kami ng mga trees around the fence pa sa kabilang side kasi 'di ba, when you if you're following our vlog, yung other side ng fence namin is bare talaga siya. So, nagtanim kami ng mga plants din doon around the fence. So, it's much, much better now. And, anyway, so ayan. Kahapon, nag-zoo naman kami. Dinala namin yung mga bata sa zoo kahit na sobrang sama ng pakiramdam. Medyo nag-okay na yung ubo ko. Kaso kahapon, nung pauwi na kami, inatake na naman ako ng ubo. As in, like, ubo ako ng ubo doon. Tapos yung asawa ko started coughing din. Pero nawala din naman. Parang, kasi ang daming mga bulaklak doon sa pinuntahan namin. Sabi ng asawa ko, baka daw yung may slight pollen allergy ako. Kasi wala na yung ubo ko. Pero kahapon, nag-start na naman siya kasi parang surrounded kami ng mga flower dun sa zoo. Look, Zoe draw this. She has a parrot looking like this, and then she draw it here in the paper. It looks so nice. She added this with a tree and a branch. It looks really cool. It's nice.
Daddy, have more.
Only 2, and that's it. Put it out somewhere. These 2 are digging up with my TikTok. Look at that. Excuse me, only 2 now, okay?
I will have 1.
Adam can have 2, but that's it, okay?
And I will have 1. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put this somewhere.
Ayan, tapos na yung banana bread natin. Soft siya. Ayan. Mukhang luto naman siya. Ayan na siya. Oh, look at the flower. Ang cute. Ayan oh. Look at that. Ito yun. Yung sinasabi ko na malapit na mamulaklak kasi nagpipink na siya. Ayan na siya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan yung bulaklak niya. Ganyan. Ganda, no? So, ito yung isa. Ayan. Asan pa ba? Alam ko meron pa kami nito eh. So, isa dito. Parang wala na yung isa. Oh, ito yung isa. Ito. Nasa likuran. Ayan. Medyo bushy na kasi dito kasi madaming ang halaman. Ayan. Ito yung isa. Medyo maliit pa siya. Tapos yung isa andun. Sa kabilang side. I'll show you. Hindi pala siya isa. Dalawa pala sila. Oh no, 3 ata. Yung isa
Daddy's
dito.
supposed to be the one telling it.
What is it?
Daddy tell Adam to go inside. And you're supposed to be telling that to Adam, right?
Ito yung isa. Ayan ah. Ayan. Ito na siya. Bago pa lang to. Oh, ayun pa lang. Bago pa lang siyang tumutubo. I mean, nag-open yung bulaklak. Tingnan niyo. Ganda. Tapos yung isa is nandun sa dulo. What's going on? Why are you crying? Ayun yung isa nandun sa
Bobby!
What?
Oh!
Why are you crying?
Yeah!
Tapos yung ribis namin, yung red currant namin, ito. Ang dami na siya. Tingnan niyo yung bunga. Ayan, oh. Pag ayun, parang may nang kumakain. May kumain. Parang ibon siguro. Ayan, oh. Ay, oo nga. Ang dami nang wala, oh. Ay, ano ba yan? Kinakain ng ibon. Oy. Kinain. Look. Wala nang matitira sa amin. Oy. That's not nice. Ito meron din to. Ayan. I think these are black currant and those are red ones. Pero kinain na ng bird. So, that's not very nice naman. Oh. Ayan oh. Wala na yung iba oh. Nana. Nice. Honey, the bird ate it. It's almost like, look, everything are empty.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Look.
The birds are eating our babies.
Good now. There's nothing left for us.
Yeah.
Look. See? Ang dami nang wala oh.
Here.
Oh.
Down.
Electric fence.
No electric fence. It's not good for.
For what?
It's not good to do that. It's cruel. Tapos yung
Then the birds were
blueberries namin is madami na din. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Oh, madami na yan. All the way there. Ito lang silang dalawa. Etong place na to, siguro, we're ending it kasi hindi naman, I mean, naglalaro sila kaso hindi naman sila madalas dyan. So, I want gazebo dito. Maganda yung space niya for a gazebo. Like that. It's gonna be good. Banana bread. Yummy.
Yummy. Okay. So it was like this, and I drink that much. It's half. It's half, right?
Mhm.
It's half.
Mhm. Sit down, baby. Eat your bread.
Ow!
What happened?
Oh,
You hurt your knee? You bump it? You bump it? I'm blown. All better.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Go eat your bread.
Do you know why I received that scratch in school?
Why?
It's because I had shorts.
Well, it's too hot to wear leggings that day.
Well, if I would have pants, it would not be a scratch.
It wouldn't, but it's too hot to wear leggings that day. That's why you were wearing shorts. Finito.
And that's it. It's gone.
Ayan, naglagay na ako ng wood chips dito. I sent my husband to the store for gardening to get me more wood chips and then soil and some plants and maybe some like decor like this one. Kasi lonely na siya. Nasira ni Adam yung snail like that one. Ayan, medyo okay na siya. Hindi pa siya tapos dito. Ito, we're digging it up. So, ayan o, we dug it up. Kasi i-move namin siya kasi hindi talaga siya maganda dito. Ayaw talaga niyang mag-grow ng properly. So, we will move it somewhere else and put something else in here. Ayan na siya. Maganda na yung side na yun. Ito na lang siya. Tapos, ito yung mga plant namin dito. Yung kids are coloring here. Yung tsura ng mga fertilizer sa ibang plants. Ayun, dalawa. There. You lost your rock? So, Cho, your shoelace is untied. Ayun, nagko-color sila ng rocks. I don't know where they are taking the rocks from, but
I will show you.
they are happy. So, ayan.
I will show you when we will.
Ito, grow na siya. Nag-grow na. Ito, may flowers na. It's so pretty. Ito, lumalago na din siya. I'm not sure about this one. If it's gonna grow, probably not. Hindi ko sure if this one grows back. Parang hindi ata. So, ito, hindi ko siya alam kung mag-grow back. Diniligan na namin to. Ang bilis. Pero ito, nag-grow siya. Ito, ayan, hindi na siya mag-grow. Hindi siya nakasurvive ng winter. So, this one, I'm still not sure. Pero, kapag hindi siya nag-grow up, maglalagay ako ng ibang plants dyan. Ito, nag-grow back. Ito, nag-grow back. They survived the winter. The others didn't. Tapos yung ito, nag-grow back from winter. Ito yung plant, yung roses na binigay ni auntie sa akin. So, nilipat ko na siya dyan. Kasi yung nandito, hindi na siya nakasurvive ng winter. Tapos ano yung mga kamatis ko? They're growing nicely. Dito. Etong pak choy na ito, I'm waiting for seeds kasi gusto kong kumuha ng seed niya para sa next time. Kaya, ayan, pinabubulaklak ko siya. Well, baby,
I will show you where we're getting.
strawberries are growing. Those are not finished. Adam likes to play ito sa mga pebbles na yan. Diyan siya naglalaro. But we are filling it up with soil pa. Hey, it's not finished there. Pero I'm so excited na ma-finish namin to kasi ang ganda. Tapos Adam likes to play here.
Wow, this looks like a perfect rock for drawing.
No, leave it there. Okay, draw a nice butterfly or anything with that and put it back there, okay? Because, yes, I'm keeping it there. Ayan. Be careful, and your shoelace is untied. It's dangerous. Can you tie it back? So, ayan na. Excited na ako matapos to. At saka ito. Ito yung path namin. So, ayan, medyo messy kasi may mga nakalagay na mga basura dyan. Naglilinis kasi kami. So, ayan. Siya. Gagawa ko ng dinner very soon kasi nga si Zoe's nagreklamo kasi bread lang yung lunch namin. Hindi siya sanay ng bread lang for lunch.